De primeiro, subides aí de preparándovos e vamos a dar comezo ao festival con un baile de primeiro de primaria chamado La Rana. Pedimos silencio e un aplauso, por favor.
La
rapaces que van a actividade de gimnasia rítmica van a presentarvos unha magnífica peza de demostración de todo o que levan aprendido nestes meses. A continuación, van a bailarvos a canción Un amigo fiel da película Aladín. A canción Un amigo
Eres Aztlán, Alibaba, pudieron nunca imaginar la suerte que mi amo mostrará con la granate que va a triunfar. Y a sus puños frente y gran poder me hacen el tremendo poseen. Vaya que sorpresas va a tener, solo la lámpara debe brotarle. Mi oro buenos días, nunca va a pedir. Toma de su poder, tiene un amigo de mí. La vida es un buffet y yo te serviré. Es momento que me pedirá. Tiene un amigo fiel. Si sabes mi sueño, tuyo. Así que se maravillosa. Hay que pedir siempre lo mejor. Y otro poco más te va a clavar. Algo de la lista y todos de la fe. Ayudarte, ayudarte. Tienes un amigo fiel en mí.
Vale, entón, terceiro, vamos facer outro baile titulado Nobody But Me, de Michael Bublé. Un aplauso, por favor.
gusta el frío.
Baby, I get a little bit jealous, but how the hell can I help it when I'm thinking on you? Maybe I might get a little reckless, but you gotta expect it. What else can I do? My mama taught me how to share, but I be selfish and I don't care, cause I want you. I need you all for me. And I don't want anybody loving my baby. Nobody, nobody, nobody but me. And I don't want anybody thinking just maybe. Nobody, nobody, nobody but me. And I know when you got a lonely lady, I might drive the voice crazy when she's looking so fine. Oh, I know, but no one ever wants to blame me. The only thing that could save me is just knowing you're mine. My papa told me once or twice, don't be cool, but don't be too nice, cause I want you, I need you all for me. Cause I don't want anybody, my baby. Nobody, nobody, nobody like me. And I don't want everybody thinking just maybe. Nobody, nobody, nobody like me.
Hey, we make beautiful music together. I can make my heart sing. Moving to this, I want us to never be apart now. One of our in the world, working like a heartstring. Every moment spent is working as the perfect quantity. I like whatever you like. We had to do right and do like two sovereign nations and try to unite. I'm proud of you like I trust you, I want to cherish it. Every other girl is silly, never in comparison.
I know I can be a bit jealous, but how the hell can I help it? I'm so in love with you. I don't want anything.